Oh, hey, Amelia, come here. Heard you're going on vacation next week.
Yes.
So I made you a friendship bracelet.
Aww.
Check it out. I put waves in it because I know you're going on a cruise.
Oh, thank you. It's wonderful.
You're welcome. Here, we just pull this little thing and it tightens it up for you. There you go. And also lapis to help you come out of your shell so you'll go out and have some party time.
Thank you so much. That was really sweet.
You're welcome. I'll see you in a couple weeks.
See you.
Bye. Friendship bracelets are so fun to make for your pals. And there's so many ways to personalize a friendship bracelet. You can use gemstones like tiger eye to promote clear vision, and malachite for joy, and amazonite for wealth. And the charms, so many ways you can use a charm. You make your own charms with head pins and weave them right into your pattern, like this wonderful bracelet. And that's just an ordinary friendship bracelet, just added charms to it. But there are lots of charms you can do. You can use pet-themed charms, and then an apple for the teacher, or music, and of course, sports, and so many different ways to use these great charms. You can even make your own charms with mother of pearl and some beautiful crystals. They've been put on a jump ring and then tied right into the pattern of this pretty ordinary friendship bracelet to make it fabulous. There are other ways you can make your friendship bracelet. You could add plain old seed beads to your friendship bracelet pattern. These have a large hole in them, so they accommodated the cord, and they were tied right into the pattern. You can even go really super elegant and add a fancy clasp to an ordinary friendship bracelet. If you've all finished with your bracelet and you haven't got anything special on there you wanted, you can always just use a jump ring and add a charm that you made yourself, like I did for this friendship dog collar. And then make a bracelet for the owner too. Whatever you need, whatever charm you like, I'm sure you can find it at firemountaingems.com. So what are you looking at me for? Well, make some friendship bracelets. It's fun. No rules, no limits. As long as you're enjoying yourself, go out and make some friendship and strengthen those bonds of friendship with your buddies.